In this video, we'll talk about string interpolation. So string interpolation allow you to embed the expression in the string. Expression means the JavaScript to execute in the string. Template string use backticks. Till now we have seen a single quote, a double quote. Now this is the third types of quotation, that is backtick. So for string interpolation we use backticks. Okay, and this is very much needed nowadays. Like, it helps or save your time as well as the complexity in the code. I'll show you the complexity without string interpolation as well. So let's go back to our VS Code and play with string interpolation. So now I'm in VS Code. So now let's see, I have some name called variable name equal to sales, and I have another variable called name1 course. So if I want to combine these two names, till now what we were doing is we'll saying name plus name1, and I can put this directly into the console to see what it will print. We are concatenating the name. It's printing Salesforce. Right, till here it's okay. Now there is another thing, like you have a big name. I'll take a sentence, full syntax. I'll say str equal to my name is, and I want to print the name dynamically, so I was writing name is name, and then after that another string I need, and my age is, and then I have to write again plus to add the another variable age, and I'll create two variables here. I'll say first name equal to Nikhil, and I'll say where age equal to 23, and I'll print in the console. So it's printing my name is 23. So likewise, if you have bigger string, it's very tough to add the plus and the quotes and all other complexity that was increasing continuously. If I have to add some expression, I would say like I want to say where str1, and I'll say the sum of a and b is, then again I have to do some manipulation like 1 plus a plus b, and where a equal to 2 and where b equal to 3, and I have to print a plus b, and it's printing like not a plus b, it should be str1 the sum of 2 and 3. Then you have to keep an eye on the spaces as well. 2 and 3 is 23. Instead of evaluating the expression, it's concatenating with the string, it's doing the quotient, right? So these are some challenges with the normal string adding the expression. So to solve this problem, we come up with a string interpolation. What string interpolation says, first we'll go with a basic example. So it says whatever you want to print or whatever you want to create dynamically, just write it in the backticks, okay, and start writing my name is, and whenever you want to embed a JavaScript, use the dollar and curly bracket and write the text, right? So it immediately print my name is Nikhil. So name is the dynamic context that is coming from the variable. Similarly, for our variable a equal to 10 and variable b equal to 20, and now I'll write the same expression console.log, and I'll take the backticks, the sum of $A, $B is, and you can write A plus B. Here no coercion, no anything, no, you don't have to remember the codes, you don't have to remember the plus symbols and all. It's very simple. And real time where you're gonna use this, when you are constructing the URLs, like in Salesforce you have the record IDs, so you have to construct the variables like console.log, something like this. You want http colon slash salesforce.com, and then suddenly you have a dynamic record ID that will come, so you can, and it should not be in the double quote, it should be in the backticks. This saves you a lot of time. This is the real time we're going to use in our projects. So if there is a record type ID, it automatically prints the record ID. The variable name is different here. Now it's printing the URL that has the dynamic record ID. So this is how we use string interpolation. It reduces the code clear. It's like a clear syntax, or the better syntax, I would say. So this we're gonna use in LWC heavily again. So that's it for this video. In the next video we'll talk about string methods. I'll see you in the next video.